So in this video, we're gonna see how we can convert one PDF file into Excel sheet. So here we have the PDF file containing rows and columns of data. Now we can load all of this data into our Excel sheet very easily. So either we can just simply copy each of these single data and we can just paste it right here, or there is a quicker way to fetch all of this data and load them into our Excel sheet. For that, we have to go into this data tab. From here, we have to click on get data. Now we can get the data from multiple sources. We can get the data from file, from database, and also we can get the data from online services. For now, we're gonna get the data from file. Now here we have so many different file types that we can select. We are gonna get the data from PDF. Now we have to select the PDF file and then click on import. Now it will show multiple pages and then we have to click on load. And you can see all of the data from our PDF file is loaded into this Excel sheet. Now here we can just change the layout of our table. We can perform all of the different formulas and so on. And now we can save this file as one Excel document. So that is very quick way to convert from PDF file into the Excel sheet. Thank you.